What are the legal steps when a tenant dies? Imagine coming home and finding out your tenant has passed away. It's a situation no landlord wants to face, but knowing the right steps helps you handle it smoothly. When a tenant dies, there are specific legal procedures to follow to stay compliant and protect your property. First, you need to contact emergency services or the local authorities immediately. They will confirm the death and handle the scene. It's important to wait for official permission before entering or touching anything in the rental unit. Next, you should get a formal written notice of the tenant's death, usually from the authorities, the tenant's family, or the executor of the estate. This document is essential for legal lease termination and managing the tenant's belongings. Once notified, you are responsible for securing the property. Lock all doors and windows and consider changing the locks to prevent unauthorized access. Do not remove or dispose of the tenant's personal items without coordinating with the estate or executor. Communication is key here. Reach out to the person managing the estate, often called the executor or administrator. They will handle the lease obligations, including rent payments and property upkeep, until the lease is officially ended. It's important to understand that the lease does not automatically end when the tenant dies. Usually, the estate is responsible for rent and other obligations until the lease is legally terminated. Laws vary by location, but often the executor can give a notice to end the lease within a certain period, often around 14 days after death. The lease might end at the close of the second full calendar month following the tenant's death, or once the tenant's belongings are surrendered and removed. Handling the tenant's personal property must be done carefully. These belongings are part of the estate and cannot be removed or disposed of without the estate's consent. Coordinate with the estate to arrange for removal or storage if needed. Finally, once the lease ends and belongings are cleared, inspect the property and return any remaining security deposit, minus lawful deductions for damages or unpaid rent. All financial responsibilities related to the lease transfer to the estate, which settles any outstanding debts. Following these steps helps you avoid legal pitfalls, stay compliant with rental laws, and respect the rights of the tenant's family. Acting quickly, communicating clearly with the estate, and following proper procedures make the process smoother for everyone involved.